Hey y'all, it's Mindy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the kitchen and we are making a quick side to go with our dinner. We're gonna make some roasted garlic and onion yellow squash. And this is some summer squash that we're still able to get right now. And I'm gonna show you how I roast it up in the oven, and this makes a delicious side and a healthy side. So keep watching. Now that we've gotten everything chopped up, we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, and give it a good mix. Then we're going to throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Alright y'all, well that is it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you give it a try sometime. If you do, let me know. And as you know, please like and comment, subscribe to the channel. That helps my channel to grow and I will be glad to do more videos like this for y'all in the future. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye y'all.